Now Marisha is going to read us problem 11, which involves a company with a different set of utilities for these outcomes.
Okay, now construct another utility scale for your company that is coherent and reflects profit attraction.
Profit attraction, especially large profit attraction. Okay, well here's an example of a utility scale that reflects large profit attraction. Okay, I'll just give you this one. As usual, 1 and 0 to the top and bottom ranked outcomes on the scale. Here's one that reflects a real attraction toward this large profit, 0.2 and 0.1. Notice that this particular company is really interested and willing to take the risk of getting that $500,000 as opposed to the $50,000 or the nothing, that they are saying, look, we would not be indifferent between getting this particular intermediate outcome with certainty or getting in a lottery that gives us a chance of this or 1 minus a chance of this. We would settle for even just a 1 in 5 chance of getting this. That shows how much we really want this particular outcome as opposed, and we're willing to risk. And so all these utility values are scrunched closer toward the $250,000 loss, and the gap between the most preferred outcome and these less or no profit outcomes is large. So this reflects a company that is very willing to take a risk at getting that large payoff, and is even willing to take that risk of getting that large payoff, even though it might get this loss, and really does not value the additional $50,000 that a more conservative action would do. In fact, ranks it pretty close in terms of its utility value to losing the $250,000. Now when we do our EUs against this scale, the EU of drilling is going to equal 0.35 times 1 plus 0.65 times 0. That's going to equal 0.35. But now what happens to the EU of drilling and farming out? Remember that was the outcome with the highest expected monetary value. But if the company has this set of preferences and this set of utilities, this is going to look very different. 0.35 times 0.2 plus 0.35 times 0.1. And when we do the math, what do we get there, Marisha? That must be
0.07 plus 0.065.
So that's 0.135. 135. Notice that this, which is the highest expected monetary value and was the highest expected utility on the cost aversion scale, now has fallen below the utility of the drilling alone value. And of course, the EU of declining to drill will simply be 1 times the probability of nothing. That's going to be 0.1. And so now, given this set of preferences and this utility scale on these preferences, reflecting large profit attraction, this group will choose to drill and drill alone.